Hi there. You're looking at this video because you're probably wondering what kind of content you should include on your website. So here's a small website content checklist that will help you whether you're creating your website for the first time or optimizing it. Let's dive into it. Hi everyone, my name is Poulomi and I'm a brand and website strategist. I help you establish your unique brands and grow visibility online. Now let's look at the 6 types of website content that you need to include. The first one is your brand content. It's all about who you are and what you stand for. The second one is your offer details. What kind of products and services do you sell? The third one is value content. So think of it as a blog, videos, resources, trainings, giveaways, etc. The fourth one is your contact information. Where can people reach you? Where can your audience contact you, get to know more about you, and potentially become a customer? The next type of content is not something that you create, but you should definitely add, which is your social proof. Everyone wants to know, as a business, how have you helped others and what have people thought about you? And the last one, it's not the most exciting one, but it's an essential one, which is your legal stuff. So your disclaimers, privacy policies, etc. Now let's look at each of them, what all they include and how you can create them. The first one is your brand content. Now imagine a potential customer or audience is looking at your website and they need to know who you are. So what are the essentials that they need to know about you? It's everything that guides you. It's everything that you stand for, you believe in, how you do business. It's the core of your business. It's the heart of your business. That's the brand. So include information like your mission statement, right? What do you aspire to do? Who are you helping? Who do you want to help? Where do you want to go with this mission? So your vision statement and your values. What principles guide you? How do you do business? How do you implement your values in your business? These are all important decisions that you need to take and that your customer needs to know before they sign up. Because they're not just buying your products and services, they are investing in your brand and they need to know more about it before they take a decision whether to buy. So include also your story, right? That is the fundamental of who you are, like how you started, what challenges you faced, your team, who does it include, So everything about you as an identity. Next up is your offer details. Here you get to write everything about the products and services you're so passionate about and you so passionately deliver to your clients and customers. So include the features, the images, all the information, but most importantly is that don't make it a list of features. Clearly indicate the benefits and how your product or service helps to solve a problem. Secondly, make it very clear and simple and easy to understand. Right? Don't make it all full of jargon and full of, heavy information. Just keep it simple to the point because people don't have so much time to read at a glance. When they're interested, they will definitely get into more detail. So you can have an FAQ section, but overall, make it very clear, direct, and to the point. And the last point here is add a call to action. Anything like learn more, book now, contact us. Just definitely make sure you have those buttons which encourage your audience to take action. The third one is value content. This is where you add in, all kinds of content like blogs, podcasts, videos, trainings, downloads, free giveaways, all of this free good stuff to give away to your audience even before they become your customer. Why do you need to have this section? The first one is because, you're proving to your audience that you are there to help. You give them a ton of value even before they become a customer. Secondly, is it proves your authority on that topic. So if you're, a business with, that sells coffee beans, for example, write everything that you know about coffee, write, put video content, whatever. But put all the information out there so they can see that, wow, you know your stuff. You know about coffee or whatever it is, right? And the third important reason to have a resources section is for SEO. The more content you have on your site about your topic, the easier it is for search engines to find you and to understand your expertise. You know very well that Google really likes authority on a topic. So if you can write a lot of content on it or, add videos or any kind of content you want to have and you make it all about a single topic, then Google understands or any search engine understand that, you have the authority or the expertise or the credibility on that topic. That's why you need to have the resources section. Next up is the contact information. It may sound crazy, but you would be surprised at how many websites are out there without telling their audience how they can be reached. It's not very complicated as well. Your contact page can be simple and straightforward, and you can just have an email, a form, a phone number if you want it. I don't put my phone number out there, but a lot of people like to have a phone number to call. You can have a chat option on your website, and if you have a physical retail location, just add a Google Maps to it. This just adds a nice touch so people know how far or close you are in case they want to drop by. Another important aspect to have, and it's not just on your contact page, but you can put it on other parts of your website as well, is your social media profiles. Because nowadays, who wants to call? A lot of people can just tweet you or send you a DM on Instagram or Twitter or any of the social media profiles, and you know just make it clear that you're accessible, you're reachable, and you're ready to answer their questions whenever they want. The next type of content is not something that you create, but you should definitely add, which is your social proof. So think about customer testimonials, reviews, case studies, anything that indicates the impact that you have made on the type of clients that you support, right? So because you know that even you and me, we all trust other people more than we trust the brand. So if we don't know the brand and we are new to the brand, it's quite obvious that we want to know that, are you credible? Have you really been able to make a difference? That's when you know that you can sign up for your service. If you have a product business, then definitely try to get reviews of your products from Google or from other platforms and put it on your website. The last one is the legal stuff. Now, it's not the most exciting thing to add, and it's not great shakes to create it, but your disclaimers, your privacy policy, your copyright, your terms and conditions are things that you should always put on your website. One of the main reasons for that is that it protects you and your visitors. Of course, it protects you when you're already putting your terms and conditions up front, but also when you tell your clients and your audience and your customers that the data is protected and they are safe and you're transparent, then it makes them trust you more easily and want to do business with you. If you have, especially if you're in the EU, but otherwise as well, add a cookie banner so that you get their consent, and you can add your privacy policy over there, create a separate page. You can make it no index, but add it over there so that everyone knows what they're dealing with. And if they are not okay with your cookies, if they don't want to share their data, they just opt out. So those are the most important types of content you should have on your website. Just to recap, it's your brand content, your offer details, your resources, your contact information, your social proof, and your legal stuff. Hope this video helps you. If you want to know more about creating a website and brand that drives business growth, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you want to quickly create content for your brand and your website, then definitely check out my brand and website messaging kit. The link is in the description. It includes 15 pre-made templates that you can easily customize to fit your brand and website. It also includes inspirational examples from other brands about how they use their messaging. You also have checklists to maintain quality of your content, and also how to maintain consistency in your brand tone of voice while you create your messaging. So definitely check that out. And if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in the next video.